Okay, this is N2LEN with another quick video clip. We just installed an old rare Chipswitch microprocessor for the HR-2510. We're going to go ahead and turn it on and initialize the radio. And when you first turn it on, the radio will allow you to program and set which radio you're installing the Chipswitch in. And you could select it by, right now we're in a 2510, you can see that's a default. If you hit the span button, it'll select HR-2600, President Lincoln, and then if you want to select the radio, you just hit the band button, and there you go. To change the bands, they're from 0 through 5, you just hit the band button. And band 4 is the CB band. This is N2LEN. We'll say Best 7.3 with the HR-2510 with the newly installed Chipswitch from the 1990s. Best 7.3.